Today we will talk about essential part of any vaccination program, ensuring safe injection practices. Safe injection, it is a process in which the vaccinator ensures that does not harm the recipient, does not expose the health workers to the risk, does not result in waste that is dangerous for the community. Serious infection transmitted by unsafe injections like hepatitis B, hepatitis C and HIV. Unsafe injection practice will lead to AEFI, which in turn lead to low immunization coverage. This not only protect the individual being vaccinated but also ensure the safety of healthcare worker and the community. Main objective of safe injection practice are: first, recipient को harm ना हो, means हमेशा sterile syringe और needle का use हो. Second, हेल्थ केयर वर्कर को एक्सपोजर से बचना, इसके लिए पीपीई का यूज करना और नीडल स्टिक इंजरीज से सेफ्टी जरूरी है. थर्ड, इंजेक्शन के बाद जो वेस्ट जनरेट होता है वो कम्युनिटी के लिए डेंजरस हो सकता है, इसलिए प्रॉपर बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट डिस्पोजल होना चाहिए. अनसेफ इंजेक्शन प्रैक्टिस से सम सीरियस इन्फेक्शन ट्रांसमिट हो सकते हैं, जैसे हेपेटाइटिस बी, हेपेटाइटिस सी एंड HIV. ये सब क्रोनिक इलनेस हैं जो लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग भी हो सकता है. अनसेफ इंजेक्शन से AEFI हो सकता है, यानी एडवर्स इवेंट्स फॉलोइंग इम्यूनाइजेशन. जब AEFI इंक्रीज होता है, it undermines public trust and result in lower immunization coverage, which compromise herd immunity and public health goals. Hand wash. Wash hands prior to preparing injection material. Wash hands with soap and running water and dry before start of session. Practice frequent hand washing for at least 40 to 60 seconds even when hands are not visibly dirty. Not to use alcohol-based sanitizer. This is a basic step of hand hygiene with soap. Wet your hand with water, apply soap, rub all parts of your hand, rinse well with water and dry your hands. During routine immunization, wash your hand before starting the session, before giving each injection, after touching any unclean surface, after giving vaccine, after removing gloves, after session ends. हैंड वॉशिंग एक स्मॉल प्रैक्टिस है जो पेशेंट सेफ्टी इंश्योर करती है. फॉर सेफ प्रैक्टिस, always tear the package from the plunger side. Remove the needle cap by holding the syringe, not plunger. Invert the vial and insert the needle through the septum. After withdrawing the vaccine, tap the barrel to bring the bubbles towards the tip. After giving vaccine, do not recap the needle. Do not leave the needle inside the vial. Do not touch the needle. Do not dispose of used needle in an open cardboard box. Now, do's and don'ts of safe injection. Do's: ensure hand hygiene before preparing or giving injections. Use a new sterile pack of AD syringes for each injection for each beneficiary. If AD syringes are not available, use a new sterile disposable syringe. Prepare injection and draw vaccine from the vial in a designated clean area. Always pierce the cap of the vaccine vial with the sterile needle. Cover any small cuts on the service provider's skin. Clean the injection site on the skin with a clean dry swab before injecting the vaccine. Discard any needle that has contacted an infected or non-sterile surface. Don't use syringe with damaged packaging or beyond the expiry date. Don't touch the syringe needle or cap of the vaccine vial with a finger. Don't use pre-filled syringe with the vaccine in anticipation of high case load. Don't give the injection at the skin site having a local infection, cut or lesion. Don't recap or bend the needle after administering the vaccine. Don't use the vaccine beyond the recommended time of use after opening the vial beyond the shelf life. Confirm from supervisor in case of any doubt. For example, MR vaccine and BCG vaccine has shelf life of 4 hours after opening the vial. Now, immunization biomedical waste management. Type of immunization waste: infectious and non-infectious. Needles, plastic part of syringe, used and unbroken vaccine vial, used swab. These are infectious immunization waste. Needle cap, syringe, packaging are non-infectious immunization waste. Concept of biomedical waste management. Color coding and type of container for waste segregation and collection. Puncture proof container, yellow, red, blue and white in color. Label on bags, biohazard, cytotoxic, barcode. Treatment and disposal through common biomedical waste treatment facility or captive facility. Immunization waste segregation guideline. Cut hub of AD syringe and disposable syringe. वो जाता है वाइट कलर कंटेनर में जो पंक्चर प्रूफ, लीक प्रूफ, टैम्पर प्रूफ कंटेनर है. प्लास्टिक पार्ट ऑफ सिरिंज, वैक्सीन अडेप्टर एंड ड्रॉपर, ओरल सिरिंज, यूज्ड ग्लव, एम्पुल्स जो प्लास्टिक का होता है वो जाता है रेड कलर कंटेनर में. एम्पुल्स जो ग्लास का होता है, एक्सपायर्ड वैक्सीन और डिस्कार्डेड वैक्सीन, ब्रोकन वायल, एम्प्टी अनब्रोकन वायल वो जाता है ब्लू कलर कंटेनर में. कॉटन कॉन्टामिनेटेड विथ ब्लड और बॉडी फ्लूइड, एक्सपायर्ड बॉटल ऑफ विटामिन, एक्सपायर्ड टैबलेट और सिरप वो जाता है येलो कलर कंटेनर में. ब्लैक बैग पैकेजिंग मटेरियल, रैपर ऑफ सिरिंज एंड एम्प्टी पेपर टू गो इन द ड्राई जनरल वेस्ट, उसे ब्लैक बैग में रखते हैं. आफ्टर रूटीन इम्यूनाइजेशन जो भी बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट जनरेट होता है जैसे नीडल, सिरिंज, ब्रोकन वायल, एम्पुल्स एक्सेट्रा, उसे 1% हाइपोक्लोराइड सॉल्यूशन में डिसइंफेक्ट किया जाता है. उसके बाद शार्प वेस्ट को सेफ्टी पिट में और अदर वेस्ट को बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट गाइडलाइन के थ्रू डिस्पोज किया जाता है. एज क्लोराइड सॉल्यूशन लूज स्ट्रेंथ ग्रेजुअली, it is highly advised that freshly prepared solution with clean water should be used daily and used within 24 hours of preparation. To prepare 1% hypochlorite solution from bleaching powder, dissolve 10 to 15 gram or 1 tablespoon of bleaching powder in 1 liter of water in a well ventilated area. From liquid bleach solution, from commercially available 5% liquid bleaching solution, to prepare 1% hypochlorite solution, dissolve 200 ml bleaching solution in 800 ml clean water in a well ventilated area. From commercially available 10% liquid bleaching solution, to prepare 1% hypochlorite solution, dissolve 100 ml bleaching solution in 900 ml clean water in a well ventilated area. This is a safety pit. This is final disposal of treated needles and broken vial at PHC, UHC and CHC. Safety pit every PHC and CHC जहाँ cold chain point होता है वहाँ पर available होता है. This is only to dispose treated needle and broken vial.